So navigator is also an object only. Navigator is also an object only. Inside that navigator, what I have, app code name, app versions, Bluetooths, everything is there. So these all are the information about the web browsers, web pages. What are the things we are going to do? Those all information is the that things only. So inside that, what is the interesting one is a geolocation, guys. Apart from that, everything you can easily get those data. I'm not asking about those data, but here interesting one is the geolocation. So what geolocation will do means it will fetch your exact longitudes and latitudes. It will fetch. So shall we check that one? First of all, what is geolocation is rendering here? So console log of navigator dot geolocation. Navigator dot geolocation. If you observe, what it is returning for me, ma? One object. Inside that we have a one more function called get current position. I need to call that one only get current position of. So you can check. It is telling us just it is a one type of argument we need to pass. So what argument we are going to pass means one function we need to pass. We need to pass a one function. So I'm calling the function as a value. After that, console log of value. So what it is storing here, inside that value, what data output we are getting, right? That one only it is storing and we are getting the data. Now you can check here, undefined. See here, first I am getting the undefined. After that, what I am getting, right? Why it is getting this undefined means debugging when I will explaining that what I told. First it is executing all the, which one? Declaration phase, then next one, execution phase. Execution phase means console log function calls, everything should be executed at that phase only, right? So here if you can check, it is not returning anything. Is it returning anything? No, right? It is not returning anything means if a function is not returning, what is the default type? Undefined only, right? Functions return if it is not returning anything means what is the default type? Undefined. It is not returning anything. Due to that reason, we are getting the undefined. If you are writing anything means now you can check if I'm returning this data. If I'm returning this data, now you can check nothing, right? Because it will take some time to display the data. If you observe carefully, it is taking the some time to display the data. So due to that reason, here I will not use this console.log. So here I will use the console.log of value. Now you can check. So after some time, what I am getting? Geolocation, right? Now inside the geolocation position, if you can check timestamp, at which time it is nothing but a timestamp only. Next one, chords. So inside the chords, accuracy, attitude accuracy headings, so longitudes and latitudes. That one only we want, right? Now inside the geolocation, where I need to go? Chords I need to go. Value dot chords. Now inside that chords, if you can check what it is returning, geolocation coordinates. Inside that, if you can check, again I have a longitudes and the latitudes. So each one I want dot latitude, longitude. If you observe carefully, so it is printing the both latitudes and the longitudes. Sir, is it really working? So I'm moving my laptop. Okay, I moved my laptop. Just remember that at least decimal numbers it will change, ma. I moved my laptop now. Changed or not changed? Numbers also same to same, huh? It means the entire location is same to same only. And I room locations and what I can do. We can't do it because entire building location is at the same position, right? So it is tracking is that one only. So if you want to check means you need to go to your home and you need to check because location will change at that time. Latitudes and the latitudes will be longitudes and the latitudes will be changed. Here it is not showing the minor also. If I will change also, change it, see. 17 point previously we have 355. Now it is giving for the 508, 503. Previously it is a 355, right? Now it is changing. So like that only it should work. Right? Longitudes and latitudes. Okay. Is it clear, guys? These all are the longitudes and latitudes. Like this only, we need to fetch the datas. Is it clear? Like this only, we need to fetch our location and we will utilizing into the map also. Is it clear, all of you? Clear? Yeah. So next thing, inside this is only interesting. Sir, I want to display the data. Normally, if you want to display that data means, oh, that concept not yet completed for you people, right? Okay. When we're discussing that concept at that time, I will show you displaying the data, how you are going to display the data of that. So now we are understanding this one. Now navigator understood you people. Exact user, this one is, this is the best way of the using the navigator. Ma. Apart from that cat code name, what you will do with that names, anything you will do. Just you need to understand the what is the versions and what it is doing. What is the next one we have? Location. This one is an interesting one, right? So next one we have a location. Console log of location. So if you can check, it is a location only. Inside that you are getting the so many things. Assign, hash, host. What is the host value? The entire address is nothing but a host value. Next origin. What is your origin? Path name. What is the path name? Index.html. So port 5500. This everything is a common thing because these things also you know already. What is the port number? What is protocols? What is the host domain name? Subdomain, stop domains? Everything is a same to same only. What are the new thing here we are going to learn, sir? Rendering from one web page to another web page. Rendering from one web page to another web page. Now, what I will do here, I have a index.html file is there, right? So inside this, what I will create a one button. Okay, ma, here I'm creating the one button. I'm telling you YouTube. YouTube. So what do you mean by this? When I hit the YouTube button, I want to go for the YouTube website. Okay. When I hit the YouTube button, I want to go for the YouTube website. Previously, which tag we are going to use for that? Anchor tag, right? We are using the anchor tag and we are assigning the path for that anchor tag and we are rendering that. Today, we are going to change that one. So by using the location method, we are going to do that one. So how to do that one means event attributes. Remember in the HTML, event attributes. We have totally 4 types of attributes. What are they? Core attributes, global attributes, element specific attributes, and the event attributes. In the event attributes, we have right on click, on double click. Those all we have right. We don't have a. We have right events. On click, I discussed that. Just normally show the demo. So today we are going to use that one event. Ma. We will not touch any events concept. Only that one event. How I utilize, I will tell. So here I need to write a one on click. Here I need to use the on click. When I click that one at that time, this on click will method will work. Here what will happen if I want to work this one, I need to create a one function for me. Because when I hit that particular button, I want to call that particular function. So how to do that one? Here I need to write a function. Let YouTube equals to one arrow function I'm using. So first one, which I need to use, location dot assign. Location dot assign of. Inside this, you need to give the YouTube links. Okay, now this is a YouTube link only, right? When I need to call this YouTube function, ma, when I hit the YouTube button. So you need to go for the index.html. Here you need to write the YouTube off. Here you need to write the YouTube off. Whenever you are writing like this, is there any changes in the UI? No change. But when I will hit this YouTube button, we are going to the YouTube page. Is it clear, ma? When I hit the YouTube button, we are going to the YouTube page. So previously, how we are going by using the anchor tag. Now, by using the button tag, we are going. Is it clear, ma? This is the one of the method to go from the one web page to the another web page. Is it clear? Now, what is the second method? So second one, I will write a Instagram button, Instagram. Okay, here I am writing the on click. I need to create a function again. Let Instagram equals to one arrow function I need to use. This time location.href. Location.href. We are changing the complete path of the URL. We are changing the complete path of the URL to you need to go from here to there. So equals to you need to use. Check here, guys. Whenever you are using the assign, you need to call that one. Okay. Whenever you are using the href, you need to give the equals to symbol you need to give. So again, which one I need to go? Instagram. So this one only you can check. Control A, Control C. And after that, equals to use the quotes. Now inside that, you need to pass this one. So if I want to call this function means where I need to hit on the Instagram button. If I want hitting the Instagram button means I need to call that function name Instagram off. Instagram off. Now you can check here. Anything new thing? No. But when I hit this, it is going me for the Instagram. How many methods done? 3 methods. Anchor tag, assign, href. Next one, we have a one more method called replace. We have a one more method called replace. So how to do that one? Let Facebook equals to, again I need to create a one more function, location dot replace of. Location dot replace of. Here I'm using the Facebook. Here I'm using the Facebook and I just copy this and I'm pasting inside this. Okay. When I need to call this function, when I hit the Facebook button. So here I'm going, I'm creating the one more button, Facebook. So here I need to write the on click Facebook off. On click Facebook off. Now you can check here. Guys, what do you mean by replace? What do you mean by replace, Ray? Still now, I am telling what I am telling. I am going from one web page to another web page. Whenever we are using the replace, complete website only will be get replaced. We don't have any backward option. Now you can check. Now I have any backward option. Huh? If I want to start my website again, I need to start from the starting onwards. It is completely replacing the URL only. You will not moving for going ma. It will completely replacing the URL only. So whenever you are using the replace, make sure. Is it clear ma? Whenever you are using the replace method. So generally use that one. Is it clear? This is nothing but a replace method. Now, how many methods we know to from rendering from one web page to another web page? Anchor tag. Next, button tag. Location dot assign. Location dot href. Location dot replace. These all are the 4 methods. Apart from that, one more method also we have, right? So that one not at now. In the next classes, it means next class means in the history, those all if things I will complete means then we will go and touch those things. Is it clear, ma? These all are nothing but a locations. And one more is there, location dot reload. If I want to start means again I need to use my files. So if I want to reload the page, I need to use here this method only, right? So I will create a one function for me. When I hit that button, I want to reload that particular element. So what I want to do, I will use the button tag again. Reload. So on click, reload off. So here also I need to write again one more function. Let reload equals to one arrow function. Location dot reload off. Location dot reload off. Now you can check here. When I hit this, the page is reloading now for me. Is it clear, ma? This is nothing but a reload off. This is nothing but a reload off. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Any doubts are there? Pakka? You guys will try or else I will go for history. Huh? Try or history I will teach. Start doing then. History also same to same. Rendering from one web page to another web page only. But here we are going for the new web pages, right? There we have existing web pages we will play. Try this fast. Guys, these things you will use more in the projects. Okay? Yeah. No social not required. If it is giving means it is a good practice. That's it. Yeah, guys, completed or not completed? గైస్ అయిందా లేదా మరి చెప్పాలి కదా ఇందాన్ని తెలుసుకుంటుంటే నేను yeah guys, next one is nothing but a history. So how it will behave means, now what I will do here, I will create a one more HTML page, bomb1 dot html. Here I will use a anchor tag dot slash index dot html index dot index. So if I run this, so I have an index file is there, right? When I click this, I'm going for this page. When I click on the YouTube again, I'm going for the YouTube page. So how many pages are active now for me? 3 pages only, right? First one is the bomb1.html. Second one is the index.html. Third one is the YouTube. So totally I have a how many pages? 3 pages are there. So what is the use case of history? We will check now. So inside that I'm writing console log of history. Console log of history. If you observe carefully, what will happen here? We can check what is the length it is returning. 3. What do you mean that I have active totally 3 pages, including myself page and below bomb1.html and forward youtube.html. All 3 we are considering as a pages only. That is the length of that. It is returning that one. Okay. Now next what it is doing, sir. So if I want to go for the forward and backward, I'm using the browser ones, right? No, sir, I don't want to use the browser ones. I want to use my own buttons. So what I will do here, inside the index.html, I will create a one more button. Button forward. FWD. If it is a forward page, then only it will work, ma. If there is no forward page, means it will not work. Next one, same to same button, I will write the backward. BWD. So I'm writing the functions. Here I'm using the on click FWD off. Same to same here also I'm writing on click BWD off. Sorry, guys. So here I want to go here. Let FWD equals to one function I need to write here. History dot forward off. That's it. History dot forward off. Whenever I'm using that one, if I have a forward page, means I will move to the forward page. Next one. Let BWD equals to one function. History dot back off. That's it. Now you can check here. Forward I have, right? When I click on the forward, I'm going to the YouTube. Okay. Now again, I'm coming back. When I click on the backward, I'm going to the index page. This is the use case of history. This is the use case of history. Apart from that, we have different things. Console log of inner height, outer height. Now, if you observe here, forward I need to go. Refresh this. So 59 and the 816. Now what is a 59? Only this one we will call it as a 59. 816 is including this from here to here. That is nothing but a inner height and the outer height. Next one we have a inner width, outer width, inner width and the outer width. Now you can check. Now same to same. 307 and the 1536. Sir, now you have a question. Sir, there is no console only, right? Why it is giving 307? Because I'm zoomed that one, but due to that reason, I'm getting that much. Now you can check. Is it clear? When I will zoom, automatically the scaling should be done, right? Automatic width will be increased. So due to that reason, we are getting that one. Is it clear? This is inner width, outer width. So what we discussed here, screen, navigator, location, next history, inner width, outer width, inner height, outer height. What is the left? Document. Before going to document, okay. These two you will try history one or else I will move forward. Forward? Okay, very good. So before going to the document, we need to discuss some more methods inside the BOM. What are they means? Prompt method. So what are things we are going to discuss means here? These all are the generalized methods. Apart from that, we have more methods. First one, we have a prompt. So what is the use case of this prompt means? It is used to take the data from the user. It is used to take the data from the user. Last, is it visible or need to increase the size? It is used to take the data from the user and it will return the data in the format of string and will return the data in the format of string. That's it. This is nothing but a prompt method. This is nothing but a prompt method. Now, second one is the alert of. Inside that, I give the message. So it is used to display the alert messages. It is used to display the alert messages. Next, third one, confirm of. Here also you need to write the confirmation message. It is used to take the confirmation from the users. For example, what type of confirmation means? Now, when you are deleting any file, you are getting one confirm message, right? Are you sure you want to delete the messages? Yes or no? When you are submitting the file, when you're submitting your data, are you sure you want to submit this data? If you click OK, then they will display the form is successfully submitted. If you click cancel, the form will not submit. These all of the things by using the confirm message only it is possible. This all of things happen by the confirm message only. So next one, alert prompt confirm. Next method. What is the next method we have? Alert confirm. So, yeah, open. Open off. So it will accept totally three things: URL, target, positions. So these all of the things I need to pass. Everything should be inside the codes only. Double quotes we need to send. So this one also I need to use in the quotes. This one also quotes only. This one also quotes only I need to send. So what is this one? It is also used to open a web page. It is also used to rendering from one web page to another web page only. It is used to open a web page in the UI. It is used to open a web page in the UI. That's it. This is nothing but a open. Now fifth one is a close off. So if you are opening that web page means we need to close that one, right? Yes or no? So at that case, we are using this close method. It is used to close the web page. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Now sixth one, set timeout of, here I need to pass the function, comma, time I need to give. So what is the use case of means? It will execute the code only once after the delay time is completed. After the delay time is complete means I want to, when my page is loading, right? After that, I want to run function after some milliseconds. At that time, I will use this only once, only it will work, set timeout. Again and again, I want to run that function for every 2 seconds, 3 seconds. At that time, I will use the set interval. Here also I need to pass the function comma time. Okay. It is used to call the function again and again in that particular interval. Now eighth one. What is eighth one means? Clear timeout. Ninth one is a clear interval. So clear timeout is used to clear the timeout. Clear interval is used to clear the intervals. Is it clear, ma? These all are the 9 extra methods we have in the BOM. Shall we discuss this all? Yeah. Now again, I'm going for the index.js. I'm commenting all of them. Yeah. Now let what I will do, let name equals to prompt of enter your name. Okay, after this one, if you can check here, see here, I am getting right, enter your name. If I will write here, RM Ram, now okay, I am getting this play. Again, if I will use Ravi and click OK, we'll get the Ravi again. Is it clear, ma? It means taking the data from the users. That is nothing but a prompt method. That is nothing but a prompt method. Is it clear? Now next one, alert. Let, or directly you can write alert of the data is good. Data is good, I am writing. So now you can check. First, it is running a prompt method. Okay. That is not defined. See here, the data is good. Just it is used to display a one alert message. That's it. We don't have any other option. Only okay, only we need to click. That's it. Alert message. We want to display now, for example, login successful, login invalid, we are getting right. Those all are the alert messages only, right? If you want to display the alert messages, we need to use like this. Is it clear, ma? Next one. What is the next one? We have a confirm message. So confirm message, simply we can write like this, ma, confirm of, are you sure to delete? Okay, it is a confirm message only. Ram, enter, okay. See here, are you sure to delete? It means okay and cancel, right? If you click on the okay means it will delete it. If you click on the cancel means it should be cancelled. So that thing I need to understand, right? Which one now you can check when I click on the okay means I need to understand which okay button I click. Then only it should perform the operation, right? So what I'm doing, I'm storing that data. Let value equals to. So console log of value. I need to check, right? What value it is returning for me when I hit the okay, and when I hit the cancel, what values it is returning for me. So RAM, okay, okay. I need to refresh this again. See here, okay. What it is returning me, ma? When I click on the okay, it is returning me the true. When I click on the false, cancel, it is returning me a false. It means it is returning me the true or false. Can I play with the true or false now? If the value is true, I need to do this thing. If a value is false, I don't want to do these things. So simply here, if value is true, then what I need to do? Alert message, you hit OK. Else, alert message, you hit cancel. That's it. Now you can check here, ma. Okay. Okay. When I click OK, see here, you hit OK. Done. Now when again running this, cancel. You hit the cancel. That's it. This is nothing but a confirmation messages. This all are nothing but a confirmation messages. What is the next one I have? Open and the close only, right? Open and the close. So what I will do here, I will create a one more button. Button I'm creating, I'm writing as a open method. So here I'm writing the on click. On click. So any function name, dummy of. Okay. So what I'm doing here, index.js, let dummy equals to open. Dummy equals to open off. So one function I will write first. Now it will work. Open off quotes dot slash bom1.html I'm using, ma. So after that, comma, we need to use a target underscore blank. Remember this target attribute blank. So after that, comma, I need to use a left and right. It means positions I need to use. Height is equals to 60 pixel I'm giving. Space width colon 60 pixel left, sorry, width equals to left equals to 60 pixel, top equals to 100 pixel. We can check I'm writing like this. Okay, I done hit okay, hit okay. So I have a button right now. Click this. Yes. Open. Now you can check here. It is open, right? Again, I will click. Again, it is open. So here you can check how many tabs I have. 3 tabs. It is opening only, right? So if I want to open means I need to close also. For that also I need to create one more button. So here I will create a button. Button close. Okay, ma? So button close. Okay. Okay. Close button is also there. I am opening this. Again, I am closing this. Is it closing? If you can check here, it is not closing. So opening is fine only. Opening is a fine only. So which tab I need to close? Okay, I will hit the close button, guys. So just think I'm opening here. Just normal I'm clicking and I'm opening close button. Is it closing? I need to tell right which one you need to close. So due to that reason, whenever you are writing the code open method, first you need to declare a variable first. Let a just empty variable declaration. So a equals to. Now what will happen here whenever you are writing the a equals to, that open method will be stored inside the a variable. So easily I can write that function. Let close tab equals to one arrow function I'm writing. So a dot close off. A dot close off. Now what I need to do inside this? Which function I need to call, Ray? On click close tab off. Now shall we check again? Close permanently. You hit a cancel. Refresh it again. Okay, everything is working only. Open. It is opening only. General line click. It is here only. Okay. When I hit the close button. Closed or not closed? This is the use case of open and close. If you observe, this is the fifth method from rendering from one web page to the another web page. Is it clear, ma? All of you? Shall we move for the last one? Set interval, set timeout, and these things. So what I want to do here, I want to create a one count function, right, which will automatically increment the values for me. Only once only I want to do. So what I'm doing, let count equals to 0. So before going to that, I will commenting all of these things. Let count equals to 0. Set timeout of, I need to use one function here. Inside that, console log of plus count. What do you mean by this one, ma? Plus count? Pre-increment, then you will display that count. So how much time after the 2 seconds means 2000. After 2 seconds, you should work that one. I'm inspecting this console. So if you can check here, refresh. When I'm refreshing at a time, it is working. After 2 seconds only, it is giving my displaying my data. Sir, 2 seconds it is working normally only. I don't trust. 5000 means 5 seconds. Refresh that. Only one time only will execute. Again and again, it will not execute. Again and again, it will not execute. Only one time only it will be get executed. This is nothing but a set timeout. This is nothing but a set timeout. Here I am using the just a console log statement. In the real world, you can use whatever you want, you can use. Functions, function call only we will write maximum. We will use the function calls there directly. Is it clear, ma? So next is set interval. Set interval of one more function you need to write inside that. So here also console log of count plus plus. So every 2 seconds, I want to increment the count rate, comma 2000. Every 2 seconds, I want to increment the count. Why it is getting 3 means set time mode also worked at a time. Due to that reason, we are getting. See here. After 3 seconds, after 5 seconds, we include a set timeout, right? Both will work. Due to that reason, there you are getting the 2 times 3. Is it clear, ma? Now you can check if I want to properly wanna see means I will comment this one. Every 1 second you should work. Is it clear, ma? Now here I can write the condition also. What is the condition means? If count is equals to 60, then count is equals to 0. Now you can check. I'm writing the condition. Again, it should be start from the 0 count. We need to wait, right? We can't do anything. Should complete 60. I need to reduce the timing. Done? When it reaches the 60, again it will start from the 0 only. If you can check, this is nothing but can I call timing? Every 60 seconds, I can increase the 1 minute like that we can do. Everything we can play like this only. That is nothing but a set interval. So if I will not using this type of condition, what will happen? It will go for the infinite number. Then browser will get crashed. Okay, so don't do that one, ma. If I want to clear these intervals, clear the timeout, how can I do means? So I need to store that. Let timeout equals to set timeout of value I need to use console log of count plus plus comma. After 1 second, it should execute ma. So here I will write as it is a 2 second. So how we are clearing that one? Now after 1 second, you can check. It will work again for me. It will not work again. Then what is the existing case? Then we can remove that one, right? So what I'm doing here, if the count is equals to 1. So I'm doing here clear timeout of which timeout I need to clear timeout. We need to tell, right? Which timeout I need to, I will tell after 20 seconds, clear the room. Which room you will clear? We all are in the outside standing. I will tell after half an hour, you should start cleaning the room. Which room you will clean, right? Without telling. Same to same here also. I will tell the clear timeout. Which timeout it should clear? We need to tell that one also, right? So after that, console log of timeout clear. So same to same, I need to clear the interval also, right? Yes or no? So I need to store this one also. Let interval equals to. So if count is equals to 5, I need to clear interval of which interval? Interval I need to clear. So I need to use a one more message. Interval cleared. Shall we check that one it is working or not? Refresh that. After 1 second, 0 is printed. 1, 2, 3. Interval cleared. Interval cleared. So this one is not printed for us. Greater than 1. Greater than 1 means always it will be. Equals to 0. Why interval is not clearing for me? This interval is clearing, Ray. This one, anything I did wrong, huh? It is holding the time rate, means it is cleared. This one is working. Why this one is not working for me? Should display message, right? Yeah, now it is working, right? So just, but every time it is working. See here. Every time it is working. So I don't want to do it every time. So what I need to do, it should be less than 2, I can tell. Less than 2, then it should work. Clear timeout only not working here. What happened, Ray? Here what is happening means, so what I am telling here, first I am incrementing the count 0 to 1. So here I am writing the value, but it is executing the clear interval also, right? 2 seconds after. First it is incrementing the 0 to 1. After within a second, 1 to 2 it is going. So it is not going for the 1. Due to that reason, we are not getting that 1. Ma. Now it will work. Now interval is not clearing. See, interval is clear. Is it clear? My else condition is due to that reason it is working. So interval is cleared. Is it clear, all of you? This is nothing but a set interval, set timeout. Actually, we are doing the individually, but I mixed and I did that set. Actually, we are doing these things by the individually. So I mixed and I did these things. That's it. You guys will try, yeah? You guys will try, right? Tomorrow I will start the bomb concept. 15 minutes you will try and you can leave. If I will start now also, you will get only hectic. Those all are, everything is a document models. It is a different scenario only completely. You can try. I will share. Yeah, guys, done for the day. You can leave. Tomorrow again we will discuss.